Hi everyone, I hope we're all doing well. Welcome back to my channel. I am your favorite YouTuber. Today, we're gonna be talking about how to get your SP to obsessively think about you and only you 24/7. But before we get into it, you are more than welcome to subscribe. On this channel, I talk about all things law of assumption. So if that sounds good to you, I would love to have you here. You also wouldn't want to miss out on one-on-one coaching with me, where I take you to your desired reality step by step. What I can say for a fact is that my emails are laced with literal magic. If you would like to be spoiled, if you would like the attention to be all on you, if you would like to get your desire as quickly as possible with me in the ringer with you, sign up today at RitaKaminski.com or click the first link in the description box down below. I know you want to. You are also more than welcome to join my members only YouTube program. You'll be getting 4 exclusive videos per month where I offer collective coaching. Feel free to ask me any question you may have and you will be guided through your situation and be supported by a like-minded community within a safe space. Hundreds of people's lives have already been changed by becoming a member. We go so much deeper into the law of assumption by learning from specific examples. So if my buddies didn't have a question that week, they still learn life-changing information. It would literally be a no-brainer to invest in yourself and join. So the link will be in the description box down below. Alternatively, you can literally just click the join button right next to my name. If members only is not available in your country, or the link simply does not work, join by clicking the Patreon link. It is the exact same program. The first thing we must do to get our SP to obsessively think of us 24/7 is work on our self-concept. I will be saying this until every single person on this channel manifests their SP. God damn it. You must work on your self-concept to do with how you see yourself, how you see your manifesting abilities, how every single person sees you, and how this one specific person sees you. Every single thing is basically dead except for you. You give life to absolutely every single thing and person. So by changing yourself, your inner world, what is going on in your mind, how you view yourself, that will automatically transfer into the outer reality, the outer world, because again, you give life to everything. It's just like that saying, that boy was not special until you made him special. Before that, he was just some random dude, just like the rest. The same goes for absolutely every single thing that is outside of you, because as we say here on this channel, nothing is outside of you. Self-concept is not hard. It is not some complicated process that you must go through. All it is understanding right now that you are the best to ever do it. You are special. You are magical. The way that you were born was perfect. The way that you are right now is perfect. Everything that you think, say, do, wear, listen to, eat, anything, everything about you is perfect because it's coming from you, and you are innately perfect. You were born perfect and you are perfect right now. There are no flaws in you. Next, it's about knowing that you are deserving of everything that you want, including this SP. You are deserving of the best treatment from this person. You are deserving of fun with this person. You are deserving of love from this person. You are deserving of laughter and happiness and going on amazing dates. You are deserving of being spoiled. Them getting you flowers, them giving you presents, them telling you about their day, them intently listening about your day, them valuing your opinion, and so on and so forth. You are deserving of that. You are deserving of the best version of them. Because a lot of my clients say, I really want to manifest a specific person, but I don't like the version that he is right now. Guess what? You can change that. You must also know that you are deserving of not just this SP, but the best version of him. Know that it is entirely possible. Next, it's about knowing that you are a powerful creator. So anything that you dominantly think will easily come out into your reality. Self-concept really is about you knowing that you are perfect in everything. The reason why I emphasize law of assumption and you knowing that you're perfect as a manifester, as a master manifester, is that this is a law of assumption channel, and law of assumption runs your entire life because you're assuming every single thing right now. You are assuming your walls are holding you up in the room that you're currently in. This ties into feeling worthy and deserving of all good things, including your SP, but you must view yourself as deserving of the best that the outside world has to offer. Therein, making those parts of the outside world alive and making the other ones that you don't deserve, meaning shitty experiences from this person or any other shitty experience, you're making it dead because you're only bringing alive the stuff that you deserve. But you must simply know that you deserve it. I say this to each and every single one of my clients. What really helped me with self-concept work was creating a list every single morning and writing down what you like about yourself, what you love about yourself, what you appreciate about yourself in this current moment. So right now, I am super appreciative of how I did my makeup. I'm having so much fun with it, and I'm like, I am so creative. Next, I would say I love my facial structure. I love my cheekbones, my eyes, my lips. Everything about me is absolutely perfect. I'm not really meditating on it. I'm not thinking about it for 10 minutes. I'm not over analyzing it. I'm simply just recognizing that, hey, I really appreciate my facial structure right now. Another thing that really helped my self-concept was listening to my self-concept Subliminal. I put that baby on every single night for 6 weeks, and every single morning I woke up, I started seeing better results and better results and better results and better results. It was insane. This is something that I haven't talked about really, but what really helped me, honestly and truly, when I just started finding out about self-concept, was literally typing self-concept on YouTube and watching every single video that has ever been made on self-concept, because you get to see different perspectives of self-concept from other creators, reading up about it on Twitter, what law of assumption creators on Twitter have to say about self-concept. That honestly and truly helped me. The more information that I had, I was able to take the things that resonated, and it was able to remind me every single day, in addition to everything else that I did, that I really am that bitch. This especially helped when I had triggers or I started doubting myself. I would always come back to these YouTube videos and watch them and remind myself how much of a bad bitch I am. And listening to self-concept rampages, that helped me a lot. Now, you can practice this in whatever way you'd like. You can practice it every morning. You can non-stop just go into self-concept for 3 days straight and then manifest your SP, or you can do it hand in hand with manifesting your SP, or you can literally just stop there and only work on your self-concept if you would like. However, if you want this person as quickly as possible, I suggest to watch the entirety of this video. If you feel like your self-concept is especially bad, I would suggest to drop everything and just work on self-concept for 3 days non-stop, as much as you possibly can, with the tips that I have provided for you, and then coming back to this video and doing the rest of these steps while also still working on self-concept. This is something that is a practice when we have been thinking that we don't deserve the best all our lives, and then we also come across triggers from our day-to-day life that might reflect that we're not good enough, we're not worthy enough. Consistently coming back to this work really stabilizes and builds our self-concept even more and more and more. But it is also just amazing to say fuck all of that and say, I'm perfect. I'm literally just perfect the way that I am, and dropping it at that. Both things have helped me and help me to this day while manifesting. It just depends on my mood and my way of thinking throughout the day. I would also highly suggest to watch 2 self-concept videos that have been so helpful to even me. They are something that I have been working on for a very long time, and I have accumulated this information from years of doing these practices And there's just so much information. Many people have been saying that if they were to watch any self-concept video, this is the only video that they would watch. So the next 2 cards, because I can't put 2 cards at the same time, are going to be those 2 videos. I highly suggest to watch those 2 videos and make notes. The next step is stepping into the state where our SP is obsessively thinking about us 24/7. This is basically quantum jumping into a new reality where your SP is obsessively thinking about you. So all it takes is a physical step. And as soon as you step, you are now in the reality where your SP is obsessively thinking about you. It's not that complicated, guys. All it is you recognizing that the second that your foot steps on the ground, that right now you're in a new reality where your SP is obsessively thinking about you. Now it's important to recognize that no matter how much you waver, no matter how much you doubt or think against, it does not matter because you've already stepped into a brand new reality. It's already done. I can worry about not having 100,000 subscribers all the live long day, but the evidence still is there that I have 100,000 subscribers. I am already in that state. I'm already in that reality. So thinking against it is useless. And even if you do, okay, that's not gonna affect my 100,000 subscribers going down. Like, I'm well past that point, clearly. The next step is to pick a technique to remind yourself that you are already in this state. Now, for this video, I want to tell you to robotically affirm. I have been on the robotic affirming game, and it is such a powerful technique to get you into this state. My favorite SP affirmation to this day is, no matter what my SP is doing or who he is with, he is obsessively thinking about me 24/7. That's it. If it were me, I would be getting familiar with that affirmation and repeating it over and over again as much as possible. That affirmation is honestly all you need. If you want any more information about how to do this and how to regularly do this, I would suggest to watch my Affirm and Persist video that I just published yesterday. Basically, all you are doing is affirming as much as you possibly can when awake, and even in the evening when you're doing sats and falling in to the state of the wish fulfilled, affirming, my SP is obsessively thinking about me 24/7. But for sats, I would do a more simple version of that because we're trying to fall asleep here. When we just woke up, when we're getting up, when we're getting ready for the day, when we're making breakfast, when we're having breakfast, when we're walking to work, when we're going for a walk, when we're walking our dog, when we are on our way to see our friends, when we are showering, when we are washing the dishes, when we are cleaning the house, when we are doing anything that does not require a lot of work. Like if you're shopping, that requires decision-making skills. So I would not affirm during that time. When I am having a conversation with my friend, I would not be affirming because I am using my noggin. And when I am making like life-altering decisions or doing maths, not that I do maths. Other affirmations include, my SP can't stop thinking about me. My SP is thinking of me now. Everything reminds them of me. They feel euphoric thinking about me. I live in their mind rent-free. He could not stop thinking about me even if he tried. It gives SP immense pleasure thinking about me. Everything he does, everything he sees, everyone he talks to reminds him of me now, forever and always. Every love song reminds him of me or her of me. Every time they eat, they think of me. Every time they breathe, they think of me. Every time they exist, they think of me. You can also add obsessively behind the word think. So every time he breathes, he obsessively thinks about me. I am imprinted on their mind now. I am tattooed on their mind now. I am their obsession. The last and final thing I suggest for you to do is to listen to SP Subliminals. I highly recommend my one. When I did it, you know, I want to trial my work, and I listened to this for like 10 minutes. I'm not even joking. The overnight and calm one, when I really don't need to. Like, my SP and I, my partner and I, my boyfriend and I are just in the best place ever, and we just keep getting better and 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 better every single day. So I really did not need to listen to this, and I kind of got scared from the results, so I stopped doing it. But it is super powerful. Like, it's scary. So if you want your SP to obsessively think about you 24/7, I would suggest listening to this subliminal overnight. And I want to give you an extra bonus. When you're affirming during the day, or if you want to listen to white noise while you're affirming and getting ready or doing anything, cooking, whatever, I suggest listening to the exact same overnight calm subliminal throughout the day with noise cancelling AirPods or headphones in. It doesn't necessarily have to be an Apple product, by the way, as long as it is noise cancelling and inside of those ears. So with that being said, I trust that this video gave you the guidance that you needed. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up because I know you loved it. I hope you have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye everyone.